Greetings to the esteemed and discreet jury, educators, and members of my team. I am Dayanur Aminira binti Awang Aminur Rashid from Maktab Rendah Sains Mara, Betong, Sarawak. Along with me are my team members, Claudia Yvonne Tika Najingan, Nur Asmisha binti Rahman, Sunar Darwish bin Kasmuni, and Muhammad Afdal Amirin bin Kanin. On this auspicious day, we are going to present our project called Disinfectant Smart Cupboard. This question falls under the category of management, services, and marketing. So for introduction, let's get to know what ultraviolet is. Ultraviolet radiation is a form of electromagnetic radiation that comes from the sun and man-made sources like tanning beds and welding torches. Radiation is the emission of energy from any source. There are three different types of UV rays based on how much energy they have. The first one is UVA rays, have the least energy among UV rays. These rays can cause skin cells to age and can cause some indirect damage to cells DNA. UVA rays are mainly linked to long-term skin damage such as wrinkles, but they are also thought to play a role in some skin cancers. In the second place is UVB rays that have slightly more energy than UVA rays. They can damage the DNA in skin cells directly and are the main rays that can cause sunburn. They are also thought to cause most skin cancers. And the last of all is UVC rays that have more energy than the other types of UV rays. Fortunately, because of this, they react with ozone high in our atmosphere and don't reach the ground, so they are not normally a risk factor for skin cancer. But UVC rays can also come from some man-made sources such as UV sanitizing bulbs that used to kill bacteria and other germs such as in water, air, food, or on surfaces. So what is unique about UVC radiation is that it is especially effective at disinfection. In the range of UVC wavelength from 200 nm to 280 nm, the wavelength of 264 nm is incredibly impressive at killing germs, viruses, and bacteria. Fortunately, UVC radiation can pass through air without creating ozone, so UVC lamps can be used in air to disinfect surfaces. As we know, the world is being hit by a COVID-19 pandemic, which is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. I have a quick question. After you return home from your weekly supermarket run, do you throw what you wash straight into the laundry machine? Not all situations are risk-free. If you lean against high-touch surfaces which may have been exposed to COVID-19, there may be more of a chance that your clothing could be harbored by the virus. A study published found that at room temperature, COVID-19 was detectable on fabric for up to 2 days. So, the purpose of the creation of this smart cupboard disinfectant is to inactive any pathogens using UVC light so that any disease can be prevented. So, what are the advantages of disinfectant smart cupboard? First of all, as everyone knows, UVC kills a wide array of harmful organisms. Other disinfection methods may not, or they may leave a damp environment where fungi can thrive. Since UV disinfectant is a dry method, in this case, the items and the clothes in this disinfectant smart cupboard are easy to secure from fungal growth. Then, one of the most common questions we get about UV light disinfection is, it is safe to use? So the answer is definitely yes. A new discovery in light disinfectant research is about UVC, which can kill bacteria and viruses, but it is not harmful to human skin or eye. The study was conducted by scientists of the Radiology Research Center, Columbia. This shows the disinfectant cupboard is environmentally friendly. Lastly, the UVC in this cupboard is good surfaces disinfection. It can demolish active viruses and extra pathogens on the surface in just a few seconds. So, the UVC is more effective than instead of buying disinfectant liquids or sprays. Besides, there are some individuals who are allergic to the chemicals found in the disinfectant liquids. So it is more easy and safest way to use this cupboard and less energy is required.
How disinfectant smart cupboard works. As an introduction of disinfectant smart cupboard, this cupboard is 155 cm high, 46 cm wide, and 70 cm long and has 4 legs. This product also uses a zipper to open it. This product uses about 25 to 30 pieces of UVC LED. This product has two parts. First, as you can see in part of the sketch, the part A of this product is to put the items you want, such as wallets, notebooks, and others. Second, the clothes hanging part, that is part B, is already labeled in the sketch. For your information, this product also uses a button that has been mounted on the top of the product. When the board is next to the product is lifted and placed at the top of the product, indirectly, the button on it will be pressed and allow the UVC LED lamp to activate a normal light. If the board is placed in its original place, the normal light will turn to the UV light. Installation of Disinfectant Smart Cupboard. How is this product formed? First, the frame will be installed one by one before the cabinet is formed. The frame of this product is made of plastic. A styrofoam may be wrapped with aluminum foil as a heat control and dryer to damp clothes. After that, the LED and its wire connection will be pricked on the styrofoam. This UVC board will be glued between part A and part B. Then, 3 bulbs will be installed at the top in this cupboard as a normal light. The position of this UVC board and the bulbs allow light to be emitted in part A and part B well. Next, the canvas fabric that has been sewn perfectly according to the product design and zip will be worn on the product frame. Finally, the board for pressing the button is installed at the side part of the product that has been prepared. Components of Disinfectant Smart Cupboard. First, UVC LED. For fuel supply, the LED circuit will be connected to DC adapter from wall power socket to the circuit by male adapter and female connector. Second, menthol. This bulb will work when the micro switch is pressed. Third, DC adapter with male adapter and female connector. DC adapter is used to decrease the power input from circuit, while male adapter and female connector is used to connect circuit to circuit. 4. Micro switch. There will be a micro button on top of the cupboard. When the button is pressed, the circuit is being cut and LED will switch to normal lighting. If the button is released, the circuit will be connected and LED will be turned on as usual. Lastly, timer. In this cupboard, timer plug is used so that the energy supply is not waste and does not cause a bypass circuit to occur. This timer is connected from wall power socket and the DC adapter is connected to this timer. The power from wall power socket will be cut by the timer after the time is set by user is up. User can set the plug in time based on suitability. For this smart cupboard, it is better to set the time maximum 30 minutes. In conclusion, as a final observation, we all know that disinfectant smart cupboard are believed to be safe to use. After doing research from various sources, UVC light is the safest to use compared to other UV light. This smart cupboard is easier to use. More importantly, this smart cupboard can kill various pathogens attached to clothing. This smart cupboard is very useful, even more when the world is hit by a pandemic. Pathogens are everywhere without us realizing it. Therefore, this project is hoped to help to break the COVID-19 chains as well as other diseases. That's all from us. Thank you.